In this video, we'll cover how to set up your shipping methods and delivery slots. There are several essential steps you should take before launching your online store. We've already covered the project basics, location, and payment configurations. So let's move to setting up your shipping methods. To get started, navigate to Shipping Methods and check out the list of available ones. For the free shipping or in-store pickup, all you need to do is name your shipping method and add instructions if necessary. Select the flat rate shipping if you want to charge your customers per unit or per order. Let's opt for popular shipping processors. The required information can vary depending on the shipping method you selected. All the necessary credentials can be found on your account of the shipping method you're planning to use. Once all is set, click Activate to connect your shipping method. The system will automatically calculate the shipping fee based on your product size, dimensions, weight, etc., initially set for the product. To better plan and manage your delivery, set up the delivery time slots. Enable the time slots and simply add your delivery hours and click Save. You also have the option to apply the slots for all days. Keep in mind that leaving the slot empty makes the delivery unavailable. Don't miss our next video on setting up your store's taxes and additional checkout details. Questions? We're just a click away 24/7.